Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about live speech in iOS 17. So guys, as you know that Apple has introduced so many features in iOS 17 including live speech feature in iOS 17. So guys, here I will show you how can you use this feature in your iPhone. So guys, if you copy any text from your iPhone, like I am copying from my WhatsApp, here you can see, just copy any text from your iPhone, and after this go back to your home screen, and from here just open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on accessibility, and from here again scroll it below and tap on live speech. So guys, from here just triple click the side button on your iPhone, here you can see, and the option appears for live speech. Tap on it, and here you will have to just paste that text which you have copied, paste it, and from here tap on send button.
Well, let's do something better.
So guys, here you can see this live speech is working on my iPhone. You can also set your personal voice here. So guys, this is the best feature to convert your text into speech. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.